Hello everyone! To prepare for a truly fulfilling and worthwhile International Labor Day holiday on May 1st, I've compiled a menu of 5 of the most delicious dishes. Each dish is carefully prepared, from the ingredients to the fail-proof secret recipe, so you can confidently showcase your culinary skills. First up, BBQ Pork Ribs, the king of parties, symbolizing abundance and a well-deserved reward after days of hard work. You'll need about 1 kilogram of pork ribs, your favorite BBQ sauce, honey, minced onion and garlic, oyster sauce, and pepper. Start by marinating the ribs with the onion, garlic, pepper, oyster sauce, and BBQ sauce for at least 2 hours. Then wrap them tightly in foil and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes until they re-tender on the inside. Here's a tip. Haste makes waste. Grilling the ribs on low heat with foil first is key to making them fall off the bone tender. After 45 minutes, open the foil, brush on a mix of BBQ sauce and honey, and crank the heat up to 200 degrees. Bake for another 15 minutes until the surface is beautifully golden brown. Remember, only add the honey in the last 15 minutes to avoid it burning and tasting bitter. Cut the ribs into strips and arrange them on a wooden board with some grilled corn. The ribs are now tender and juicy, so let's all dig in with our hands for that authentic BBQ experience. Next, let's make a Thai seafood hot pot. Its rich, spicy, and sour flavor is perfect for awakening the taste buds and creating a warm, cozy atmosphere for a family gathering. You'll need shrimp, squid, clams, various mushrooms, water spinach, bone broth, galangal, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and a Thai hot pot base. First, simmer some bones to make a clear broth, making sure to skim off any foam to keep it clear. Then saute some galangal, lemongrass, and tomatoes before adding the broth. Stir in your Thai hot pot base and some crushed kaffir lime leaves, and season it to get that perfect sweet and sour balance. Only add the fresh seafood and vegetables right when you're ready to eat. A quick tip: seafood cooks fast. Don't leave it in the pot for too long, or it'll shrink and become tough. Place the hot pot in the center of the table. Arrange the seafood nicely on a plate. The broth is boiling and fragrant. Let's all dip in the fresh ingredient and raise a glass to celebrate the holiday. For something a little lighter, we have boiled pork rolls. This is a refreshing dish, packed with green vegetables, perfect for cutting through the richness and enjoying a leisurely holiday pace. You'll need about 500 grams of pork belly or pork leg, rice paper, vermicelli, fresh veggies, cucumber, and green pineapple. For the dipping sauce, you'll need fermented fish sauce and chopped pineapple. Boil the pork with some shallots and salt. Once it's cooked, plunge it into ice water, then slice it thinly. For the best rolls, choose pork with a 7:3 lean-to-fat ratio to keep it moist. Now for the dipping sauce, mix the fermented fish sauce with sugar, lemon juice, chopped garlic, and chili. The secret to a delicious sauce is adding finely chopped pineapple. It balances the strong flavor and adds a refreshing sweetness. Arrange everything on a bamboo tray lined with banana leaves. Everyone is invited to roll up their own generous spring rolls, dip them generously in the sauce, and enjoy a leisurely chat. Now for our centerpiece, honey grilled chicken. This golden brown chicken symbolizes abundance and prosperity. You'll need 1 free-range chicken, honey, 5 spice powder, oyster sauce, and minced garlic. The first step is crucial. Pat the chicken skin completely dry. Then marinate it with all the spices, except for the honey, for about an hour. Grill the chicken at 170 degrees Celsius. Every 15 minutes, take it out and brush it with a thin layer of honey mixed with a little oil. It lines take about 45 to 60 minutes to grill until the chicken is golden brown and cooked through. Here's a pro tip. To keep the meat inside juicy, place a small tray of water in the oven while grilling. Serve the whole chicken on a large plate lined with puffed fried sticky rice. Golden brown grilled chicken with crispy skin and sweet meat is now on the table. Let's all enjoy the fruits of our labor. Finally, let's make some Hong Kong style salted ribs. This is a top-notch appetizer with a crispy, flavorful crust that's incredibly addictive, especially with a cold drink. You'll need 500 grams of pork ribs, tapioca starch, an egg, fried garlic, salt, pepper, and chili. First, roll the ribs in egg yolk, then coat them evenly with tapioca starch. The secret to extra crispiness is to fry twice. Deep fry them once until cooked, then again until they are golden brown and super crispy. Next, saute the garlic and chili until fragrant. Turn off the heat or set it to low. Add the ribs and a salt and pepper mixture and toss everything quickly. Be quick when tossing so the seasoning sticks evenly and the fried garlic doesn't burn. Arrange them on a white ceramic plate garnished with a few slices of red chili. Crispy, flavorful salted ribs are here. Let's all enjoy this treat. I'd like to express my deepest gratitude to all of you who have accompanied me until this moment. Wishing everyone lots of joy and happy family meals this holiday. Don't forget to check out our latest recipes coming soon. Thanks for watching.